Good day there, fellow artists. Today I decided to make a holiday special. I will show you how you can make this or any other flower using just aluminum foil. And who doesn't like a flower? We will start with a long rectangular piece of foil. You just need to rip the top part into 4 approximately equal parts as shown here. These will be the stamen of the flower. Now we just have to draw out the flower stem just at the end of the ripped parts. Don't make it perfectly straight, as this is not how a real flower is likely to grow. Now squeeze the stamen to a fine filament until you reached about halfway. Try to thin them out as much as possible. Squeeze the other half into a ball that is visibly wider than the rest of the stamen. We now need another rectangle piece of foil. You will need to rip in about halfway as many times as you want flower petals. Having done that, you now need to form the ripped parts into something vaguely resembling a petal. The more of them you make, the less it does really have to look like a petal. The next step is to wind the lower parts around the base of the stamen, as shown here. Just squeeze it and it will hold. And another rectangle that is slightly shorter. Repeat as before, as this will be the second row of petals. For added realism, let this new row of petals have a different form than the first one. Wrap them around the base as you did with the first row. And finally, we need a small piece of foil to make a leaf. Use your thumbnail to make an indentation that will be the spine of the leaf. Use your index finger to roll the edges into a natural form. Finally, you just need to squeeze the base right at the stem at the position you like. And there you have it, your very own flower as a perfect small gift or decoration. Let me know if you like this tutorial format of videos more. And as always, thanks for watching and happy holidays!